All right, so I want to go over the best cold message template to get SMMA clients. And this is going to be massively important if you are doing cold outreach or you currently have VAs working in your ecosystem and you want to give them some more value. So first things first that I always do is, and I'm going to do this from scratch because I already have one that works, but I want to optimize it for you guys. So first things first is like, I shot a quick video for you. For checking out. Okay, that's one variation. Okay. Variation 2 is, sorry to bother you, but obviously customize it to them, where it's like site, landing page, or the product page that you're reviewing. I saw these 6 things that are hurting your conversion rate. Check out video here and let me know what you think. Okay, and now you're going to put the link here, but when you shoot it inside Loom, like for example, right, this is one of my YouTube videos I just filmed, you need to change the link here to where it's their store name, so that when they get the link, they're like, oh shit, this is actually like my name. Or you could just make it like the domain or, business name review, right? Something like that, right? So then they reply, waiting for the reply. And then they might say something along the lines of like, you might want to ask them another follow-up question. It's like, hey, follow-up question is like, hey, did you watch the video? If so, have experience in doing this for business owners, which is helping my clients increase conversion rate. Conversion rates, average order value. Now, when you talk about, this is for e-com, right? They're in e-com. Hey, did you watch the video? If so, I have experience in doing this for business owners, which has helped my clients increase conversion rates upwards of, 250%, whatever claim, increasing their average order value and also decreasing their ad costs, giving them a 2 to 3x bump ROAS. Okay. And it all comes down a bump in ROAS. If it's lead gen, you would then say like, hey, did you watch the video? And then you would say, increase conversion rates upwards, increasing lead quality. Booked calls, show rates, and also decreasing their ad costs, giving them a 2 to 3x bump in ROAS on projects, on services rendered. Their lead gen. Okay. And programs sold. Okay, waiting for reply. Hey, that sounds great. Like, and then you say, follow up again. Next response is, actually shot this video a couple days ago going over, this X system that I've been using for years, and I want you to watch. And then you send them to a link, okay, .com/private. And this is what I use. So I shoot like a Canva video going over, like a private invitation for joining me, so I can present to you this private invitation to have my 8-figure advertising team run your paid ads. So this is kind of like a video where you go over like your system and why it works, and like you can go to that link if you want. You can check out my video and get inspiration from it. And that's where at the end you obviously have a CTA where it's like, hey, let me know if you're in or out, you know, and then, you know, after, you know, 2 hours to get a chance to watch. So what do you think? And then they might respond where it's like, you know, for response. And then you would say, you know, if they might say, like, hey, can we book a call and go over this? Send the link to book a call. That's it. And that's how you can basically appointment set and do a cold message template, right? So that would work very, very well. That's just a quick little cold message template that you can use to start getting clients without talking about like, and obviously, right, if you're making these claims in these 2 sentences, you need to have that in your headline up here. Like, watch a short video from, you know, X name on how you can increase your conversion rates and blah, 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 right? And that's like the congruency in the offer. So make sure that you include that, and then you can start hopping on calls. And then, you know, obviously within your calendar, you would ask them qualifying questions. But here's like a quick cold message template that you can use because it's like a curiosity thing. You know, I've been following you for a while, or another variation that I use is this. Variation 3. Following your content for a while, and I checked out your site, blah, 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 blah. And I saw a couple issues I had before checking out. So I shot a quick video for you going over those issues here. Okay. And then, yeah, you could use that variation as well. So hope this helps, and like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.